What's up, family? Day 397 the trading, day 397. And we had our normal ups and downs and waves of the market because, well, even though TTT tried to come back up a little bit, it's down on the day. Go to the day chart. Well, could look right here. TTD down 51 cents. Beyond is up 1 cent, 1.5 cents, but I think it was still down on the day. No, it made some money today, a couple bucks. Um, we're not in MSFU. UNHG down 18 cents, TSLL down 65 cents. And those are all my positions that I have. The two TTD options, $100 strike price and $8 strike price, Beyond, Leap, Tesla shares, TSLL shares, and UNHG shares. Let's go ahead and take a look. So today's gain is negative 821.25. Of course, it was up 1,200 yesterday, so netted about 400 the last couple of days. It is what it is. Total assets $12,611.98. Options account, I'm down 580 today. My shares account down 241.25, which puts us under my 10K. Trying to stay above 10K, man. It's all right. Next week it'll be back above 10K. This is what it is. Take a look at the options. For sure, TTD is down, right? Yep. $100 strike price down 85 bucks. $80 strike price down 510. And Beyond gave us 15 bucks today. And my shares, UNHG down $108 today, and TSLL down 133.25. You know, so once again, just the normal waves of the market. What I do like though is that if they're all down today, then that means that they're probably pretty much close to being in sync. And why I like that is because that means that they'll all start bouncing up together too. When they start bouncing up together, the count will increase 1,000 at a time, 2,000 at a time, 1,500 here, there, boom, boom, boom. It'll drop down together, but it'll go up together and start going towards those targets. Because we are looking for the SPY to pull everything up, you know. SPY dip down, nice little support right here. Front ran the support a little bit, so might, Monday continue down. And if it stops here, that'd be great. If not, then it'll stop down at 665-ish. Should be like another, 7 point drop. And then it'll start working its way back up. But we are looking for it to reverse. That's the 4-hour chart. Take a look at the hour chart. Hour chart was still bearish. 30-minute, still bearish, but starting to curl up a little bit. We had the MACD turn up a bit, and we are, oversold. 30-minute chart, yeah, oversold, and then started working its way back up. So that's why you started seeing the curl back up. And then on the 30-minute, we have a little doji candle, so they're not sure if they want to go down or come up. So this next candle will tell us if it'll go down. Maybe it will come down. Next candle then start popping up. That's what I think is probably going to happen. Tesla, we got a nice, well, not nice, but a good looking um bearish engulfing candle. We don't want it to be going down, but it is what it is. That's what it's doing. But it looks like we have some buyers right here that'll probably prop it up. So maybe gets as low as 394 on Monday and starts working its way back up. I like the 4-hour chart. You could tell what happened during the day with 2 bars. Hour chart is kind of telling too. Get about 7 bars. Stock market's open for 7.5 hours, so you know See this little move? Looks like it may still keep going down. But once again, we got some buyers right here. So maybe goes as low as 394.30 and starts pushing it back up. Take it. All good. This is a bull flag right here. If you know your flags. Looks like it's trying to dip down. But once again, we have the buyers here that's going to probably push everything back up. So we'll see. It broke out of the flag. So we'll see if it continues down or if that's a fake out. If we don't get another red candle, there's no confirmation, and it'll probably bounce back up. So we'll see. UNH, kind of the same thing. Bull flag. Now it did dip down low, but this whole thing could be a flag. Broke out, came back in, might bounce here for a little bit and start pushing up. Flag, see the flag? So we're looking for it to break out to the upside, probably go back up towards the 200. 200 EMA is already, tapped twice, three times, four times. It might be ready to go. Fifth time for sure should break through. All right. Beyond, you know, beyond is beyond, man. When it decides to pop, it'll pop. Weird, little flaggy, but see the 1 hour chart starting to curl up. So it should push next week. Hopefully get above the 200 and stay above the two. Be a nice little support. Start pushing up. Start battling against these sellers. Close the gap. And start pushing. So we'll see. We'll see. Ain't nothing but time, man. We got shares and leaps. Shares and leaps. Shares. And then my next expiration is not until January 2027, man. And that's TTD. Beyond as December 2027. If it don't make the move by then hey, just take my bread, man. I got $2,500 left in the account. Go ahead and take that 2,500. But nah, I think we're going to get this 2346 back, bring it back to almost 5K. And then, you know, I'm saying turn that 5K into 25K, 30K. We'll see. We'll see. But once again, today we are down 821.25. Total assets to $12,611.98. Keep you posted, let you know what happens on Monday. All right. One love.